Good day. Could you introduce yourself?
My name is Jackie Lo Kayan Provido. I'm 41 years old. I born in March 27, 1984. I'm married.
Okay. So you mentioned a while ago that you have one daughter, right?
Yes, mom.
Then who will take care of her if you would go to Hong Kong?
My mother, mom.
Okay. And can you tell me your work experience in Hong Kong?
My experience in Hong Kong, mom. I'm start in 2013 to 2004.
Okay.
I finished to 2004.
2024.
2024 po.
And then, so what are your duties there?
Cooking, washing clothes, it's like little gardening, car wash. I have 2 feet also, take care of Faith.
Of what? Kid. So how old is the kid that you took care of before?
I'm starting before with them is 14 years old.
Okay.
And then I finished with them I think she's 25 already.
Okay. And you also took care of pets?
Yes, mom. We have 2 dogs, Chow Chow.
So 2 big dogs.
Yes, mom.
Okay. And how about your experience in Dubai? Can you tell me about it?
I'm experienced from Dubai. In Dubai is I'm starting. So my employer before is 2009, and then I finished to 2013. So I'm still with them to almost 3 years.
Okay. So can you tell me your work experience there?
I'm cooking. I'm washing their clothes
Hmm.
and cleaning car wash, and ironing.
Okay. So you mentioned a while ago that you have an experience taking care of children. And are you willing to take care of children?
Yes, mom.
What will you do if the children were fighting and naughty?
I'm go with them, mom, to talk to them, and then I'm talk to them to not fighting. You need to love to each other because they are sister and brother.
Okay. And have you experienced before helping children with their homework or school activities? Have you experienced before?
I don't have experience before, mom. I don't have experience, but I'm willing to learn how to. If my duties is need to teach them, then I will willing to do it also, mom.
Okay. And aside from that, for your cooking skills, do you know already how to cook Chinese dishes?
Yes, mom.
So what types of dishes or Chinese dishes do you usually cook for them?
Chinese dishes one they like always steamed fish, steamed chicken, steamed pork with steamed pork, and sweet and sour pork. They like also vegetables, and then they like also fried chicken, fried pork, and then they like also fried shrimp,
Okay.
steamed shrimp,
Okay.
and then more, mom.
Okay. And do you love cooking?
Yes, mom.
If you would rate your cooking skills from 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest, what would you give for yourself?
Highest.
Yes.
Yes, mom.
For 1 to 10, what will you give for yourself?
I think number 10, mom.
Okay, so I think that you're good in cooking.
Yes, mom.
Okay.
Because
Okay. And is it okay with you to share with the babies, children, or elderly?
sharing for yes,
Is it-
mom.
How about to work with other helpers?
Yes, mom.
Okay. And do you have any message that you want to send to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you hired me, I do it my best. I do my duties. If, if what I did before, and then I did it more to do my best, my work, to my work.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, mom.